guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm here with our mate Whale from the In Search of Perch YouTube channel. We were invited by Matt, one of our subscribers, Matt Goodchild, to go check his YouTube channel. He's gonna show us his local, and hopefully with a bit of luck we can catch a couple of zander. What you reckon?
Fingers crossed.
Yeah,
it's looking good. It's looking good for it. So
yeah,
got every chance, haven't we?
Let's have a go at it. I'll put you on the chest camera now.
Yeah, the thing's pulling me off about this bend. It's that cool breeze blowing there. You know what I mean?
You might be actually be pulling the bait fish down here.
It's a bit chilly on the old place.
Should imagine it is. I thought that when you pulled up.
I can't believe you're saying that, mate.
Sometimes you
Yeah, that's a good thing when we're fishing with other people, like
different styles, and then you
yeah, and then we see what works for that day, and then we try to change to match whatever the fish wants.
fly as well, which I might try in a bit.
I like jig flies for pike.
Beautiful, mate, the way they hang in the water.
Yeah,
Second to none.
I like that. That's the way then. Get aggressive. Yeah, exactly.
I'm getting them worked up.
It's like a buffet, you know. It's gonna go past Will's lure. It's gonna nah. It's gonna pass mine. Nah, it's not. And then it's gonna go to yours. It's gonna be like, oh, that's nice sushi here. Let's go.
There was electric fishing only literally last week, Thursday, and 2 miles from here, this late in the year, with pike and perch full of spawn. They're just bastards, they are.
Oh man.
And I think they were searching for car.
Hello.
Oh, there you go.
Hello.
There you go.
It's good, isn't it? It's cleared in the swim.
Yeah, yeah.
I lost it.
What was that?
Get over there, quick. There's a lot getting chased around here.
I think when I cast, I think I felt like a little nibble on the tail.
Yep, that's a fish.
Nice one.
Not sure what that is.
Need help with the net?
I might be alright. What is it? Little Z, yeah. Little tiny Z.
Nice one. First one of the day. Look at that.
God almighty.
Yes. No.
I'll get it in a second. You've
Really?
got... Yeah. Oh, it's alright. We'll get it in a second.
I'll grab his net too.
Yeah, I'll get in there. I can't really do it though with this rod. Right, grab it.
Can you make the
There you go.
Nice. Awesome.
That's not a bad one, bro.
It's alright, we'll get it back.
He really took that lure in.
Oh, he smashed it, mate. Absolutely smashed it.
There's no way he's gonna. He's gonna.
Something over there.
You were right.
Go on, you bugger.
You want a picture? A lovely fish.
Superb.
Beautiful. Go on then.
There you go.
There you go. Mega. Absolutely mega.
You got it?
Oh, yeah.
You want me to try? Because I'm usually good at catching stuff that are not
You
fish.
carry on then. We are, I've got 6.
Yeah, you got it.
Hang on, is it? Yeah, it's
Got it.
moving.
He's only gone and got it. Look at him. Yes. Get in.
Wait a minute. I've upped it properly, so. Told you that was in there.
Oh, mate, I'm chuffed at that.
I know, I'm really chuffed here. I want you to catch one, as long as it's not over 15 pounds.
Oh, you don't have to worry about that.
You know what I mean? First catch, honestly.
Did you cut it on the paws, or was it like a
No, it's just straight retrieve.
straight retrieve?
Yeah, yeah.
Just a straight retrieve.
It's like let it drop, let it sink right to the bottom, just work it across the bottom.
Yeah. I was working it on the paws all the time,
Oh yeah.
but maybe they want a little bit more.
A bit more aggressive.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the bite.
Did you?
Yeah. Was it just? It was a nibble on the tail. But I felt it. Sees the old curly tail. It's gonna do the trick.
Got to work, hasn't it?
Yeah. Well, you already did. You proved it's worth.
Comes with the talent.
Fish on. Oh, I think.
Get it!
Get in there.
Awesome, man. Awesome.
Yes, Matt. Well, I thought he was a pike for a second.
Oh, mate, that's amazing.
Oh,
Oh, I'm chuffed for you, mate. Made
oh
up.
my god.
Absolutely made up.
I'm so.
It's fantastic. You know what? I nearly went in the water then trying to net it. I was like,
Look at that, lads.
oh, made up
First
for you,
sander.
mate. Honestly, made up for you.
Oh man. Hey, slow down. Yeah, please. First sander, guys.
Made up. Absolutely made up.
Thank you so much, mate.
Awesome.
I was using
Told you
your
it's a little lure.
your lure and
Man.
your retrieve technique.
Yep.
I had a bite previously, like 2 minutes before.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks like
Do you want me to
perch.
use my phone or
You can use
your
yours,
one?
fine.
Or?
Fine. Nice little vampire.
Yeah. Awesome.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
I'm on a go for doubles.
That's perfect, man.
Awesome.
I'll do like an underwater
Mega.
release. He was soft like a bullet. He didn't know what was going on, but he wasn't sticking around to find out, that's for sure.
No.
Oh man, so happy right now. It's so nice for you to have this at your doorstep, you know, and they just want to ruin it.
I'm spoiled, I know.
It's been a nice day so far. We only like probably less than an hour into this session. And wheel in search of perch. Already caught one. I managed to catch one myself. Hopefully our friend Matt will be able to catch one too. Yeah, guys, it was such a small fish, small zander, but I'm just so happy to finally cross that off my list. Obviously we don't have zander in the northwest, so we had to travel down further south a little bit, and luckily Matt was kind enough to invite us to his local, and that was a perch. It's a really tiny perch. I hooked onto it and I let go. But yeah, we were lucky enough that Matt invited us to his local. So me and William just came down here and we already managed to catch a fish. And I'm so grateful to Matt right now, as yeah, helped me tick this species off my list. I really wanted to catch a zander for a long time. As you guys seen, a few months ago I even went to Essex, to that Cushing's Lake, where they stock zander in there, but unfortunately that day nobody actually managed to catch any fish. I hope Matt can catch one today. And yeah, it's a really nice fish for, and all this electro fishing nonsense just needs to stop, mate. Such a nice species. I would really enjoy to have zander all over the place, but unfortunately they're getting electrofish day after day and after day, and it just keeps getting harder trying to find one. That, seriously, that needs to stop. This doesn't make any sense. There is zander all over Europe. Zander has been in the UK for ages now. That they're still going on about this invasive species. Come on, let's cut it out, guys. What? Had a nibble, yeah? It could be another one of them small perch from before. Matt is in there casting his jig fly. Nope, I haven't.
Hey Matt, does electro fishing work for branches? So I'm picking fucking loads of them.
I think they need to start working on them a little bit more. Yeah, leave the zander alone and start working on the branches and some bream. Maybe some bream too, I don't know. Is that the same branch again? Oh no, it's his son.
It's a different branch.
Yeah. It's a different branch of the family.
Yeah.
They're perch?
Yeah, it's a little perch.
Nice.
Oh, come off!
No! Oh, I was just about to grab your net.
Oh, that was really silly.
Thought it would be another Z, bro. No. Well, you called it. You call this bridge? Mr. Perchy Perchy. The perch following up. Nice. Get in there.
Oh, wait. A bridge full of perch.
Can't complain.
No, definitely not. What tiny guy? I'll show you, mate.
Go on. Tell your grandmother.
Like a rocket, that. Perch and roach and
Hold us now.
Oh, you got one? Nice.
You know what? Well, you broke down just before Christmas.
Nice little perch, guys.
Great pike on that.
I love that.
We listened to it for don't stop.
Here the light. Nice little perch. You need to hold it like a pro if you want to be a pro.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You know?
The pencil grip.
Look at that, guys. You want to be a pro? You need to hold your rod like a pro. Look at that. Look at this. Not even. Man, it's actually just.
I've been told there's no way whatsoever you can catch unless you hold your rod like that.
Mate, I remember before we got our pro card, one of the tests in the exam, if you remember correctly, was how to hold your rod properly. And I remember people that made the mistake of holding the rod the wrong way. I just went straight to the pencil grip, you know. And they just said, may you pass the test, here's your card. And that's how they let me like be a professional YouTuber.
What did you have to do, like catch a 7-pound bream on a drop shot?
Yeah,
With a pencil grip.
exactly.
7-pound bream, pencil grip, drop shot, chub. Sorry. Chub.
And then to get the picture for the card, they made me kiss a carp for the picture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They made
Hold it like a baby and then just kiss it.
They made me put my finger in a carp's mouth. If you're going to mess about, you may as well not bother. Do you know what I mean?
Exactly, man. If you're gonna do it like a man.
Yeah. Fuck about.
Just grab it by the ball. Ah, there was a bite. Nice, as I'm just saying bullshit to the camera. I'm gonna tell you what, that felt like a Zander bite.
Really?
Because now I'm an expert.
Well, yeah. I mean, as soon as you caught one, you caught them all.
Yeah. You know your driver's license. You have the ticks on the back with the dates and everything for it.
Yeah.
I just stick to the Zander today. Yeah. So I probably like 20 minutes of fucking, you know.
Zander man, Evo's got them all.
Now I know how a Zander bite feels like, and that was a proper Zander bite. Probably a 10 pound.
Should have been at least a 30. Have you got any enough?
Yeah.
I think it might be worth making a move down there and grabbing a bit of food or something.
Yeah,
and
let's go.
Sitting off and sticking the deads out.
Yeah, because this the boat just went past now. You know, not going to be catching it. Yeah, it's too bright. But I gotta say, it's a lovely day. We have the sun out. Even the ducks are out on top of the boat.
Mm.
We have
Shitting on the boats, rocking the pipe.
we have the rods out. I'm here with Matt, having a great time on his private fishery. Shh. Keep it on the low. But yeah, guys, appreciate you, Matt. Had a really good time. Thank you, mate. Yeah, guys, I'm back at home now. It was a long drive, but I really had a great time. It was amazing to meet Matt. I really had a great time fishing with him and with William in search of perch, and I'm so glad I managed to catch my first sun, that I finally being able to tick that off my list of species, you know, I wanted to catch. It's just amazing. Yeah, I had a fantastic day, and Matt was an amazing host. Thank you for having us, Matt. And yeah, leave a like if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.